Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a cool Android ringtone from TikTok and how you can apply it. So here, what you need to do is first go to the TikTok app and then just click on the search column at the top right corner and then just write this as the keyword best ringtone for Android. This one, then you can just find the one that you want. For example, here I'm going to go with this Doraemon ringtone. Here you can just save the video, so by clicking on the share button, then click on the save video. Just wait until it's saved. Now the video is saved. Now you can just go to your browser and find a video converter into mp3, this one. Then click on this, choose the files that you just save, click on from device, and then just find the file. So I've already select the file. Now you can just click on convert and wait for the converting process to finish, and after that you can download the the file, the mp3 file. Okay, after it's done, let's click on the download button, and now it has been successfully downloaded. Let's go to the settings on the Android phone and then find the sounds and vibration options. Then here just select the ringtone, phone ringtone in here. Then just click on the custom ringtone and find the file. So this is the file that I just convert. You can just go back and you can see now the ringtone has been changed. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.